Hello, my name is Ravinder, and the reason I'm recording this video is because I got 9 band score in IELTS speaking, and I decided to record videos and share my story, share my experience with you all. This YouTube channel belongs to my wife, and she records a lot of content around all different modules in English. So she gets a lot of questions on how to increase your score in IELTS speaking. So we were having a discussion, and then we decided that I should probably record these videos, share my story, share my experience with you all, so that you can learn something and that can help you increase your IELTS speaking score. Now this video and all the future videos that I'll be recording, I'm not scripting these videos in any format. I'm not preparing for these videos just because I want you to actually see firsthand the way I speak, kind of the accent I have, so that you can relate with me and say that, okay, this is someone who speaks in this format and ended up getting 9 bands in IELTS speaking. So maybe that gives you motivation that you can also score let's say 9 bands or high bands in IELTS speaking. Now if you're preparing for IELTS and you are searching online for videos that can help you increase your IELTS speaking score, so I'm sure you might have gone through different people who shared their experience on what they did right during the IELTS speaking exam that helped them get 9 bands in English. Now my story is totally different from everyone else. The reason I say this is because I'm someone who just walked into the IELTS speaking exam without any preparation at all, without even spending a single minute on preparing for the speaking exam, and ended up getting 9 bands in IELTS speaking. Now you might ask, why would I appear for the IELTS exam without any preparation? So the answer to that is because back in 2017, when we were actually trying to get the express entry visa for Canada, my wife was the primary applicant. So she was the one who was required to get a high score in IELTS. So me being a dependent in that case was not required to get a high band score in IELTS. So even if I would have got a lower score or a higher score, that would not have affected our application in any format. So I didn't have any motivation to actually spend time and prepare for the IELTS exam. So I just walked in without any preparation. But just the fact that I actually got 9 bands without any preparation, that kind of surprised me and also made me think on what I might have done different from others that might have helped me get 9 bands. So this video I'm recording, I'm here to just share my story, but in the upcoming videos I'll try to do a step-by-step analysis of my IELTS speaking exam, and I'll try to share with you what I think I might have done correct that helped me get 9 bands in IELTS speaking. So if I can quickly let you know my IELTS score, I appeared for the IELTS exam on 19th August 2017. I got 7.5 in listening, 7 in reading, 6.5 in writing, and then 9 in speaking. So you can see I didn't get that good score in other modules, but somehow speaking I got 9 bands, and that's something that I'm here to share with you all. So I'm not here to give you any tips and tricks on how you can get 9 bands in IELTS speaking. Actually, I'm not qualified to do that because I'm not an IELTS trainer. I've never been in a classroom session where someone was training for IELTS. So I have no knowledge about what the format is or what you should be doing to get a high score in IELTS speaking. I'm here to just share my experience, my story, and maybe you can learn something from my story, and that can help you increase your score in IELTS speaking. So let me quickly talk about my educational background, because I think that played a very big role in helping me get 9 bands in IELTS speaking. So the school I went to for 12 years, I was in an environment where English was the main language of communication. So the medium of instruction in my school was English. So imagine for 12 years I was in an environment where starting morning till evening I would mostly use English as my main language of communication. So that definitely helped me build a very strong base in English. Now career wise, I'm a software professional, so maybe starting 2006, when I started my first job. So I've been in an environment where again English is the main language of communication. So working with clients from US, Canada, and all, I was always talking to them in English, and then and that definitely helped me strengthen my my English skills. So yeah, my education background and my career, that played a big role in helping me get 9 bands in English, 9 bands in IELTS speaking. Now the reason I told you about my education background and my career is because if you are someone who comes from a similar background, you can be confident enough that you are capable of getting 9 bands in IELTS speaking. I've also been asked this question, that do I use English mostly on a day-to-day basis. The answer to this is no. My mother tongue is Punjabi. I also speak Hindi because my wife's mother tongue is Hindi. So my first preference always for any communication is to use my own mother tongue. So if you put me in a scenario in which I have an option to use Punjabi or English, I would always prefer and always love to use Punjabi. So I'm not someone who speaks English on a daily basis, but yes, definitely in a scenario where English is the only option for me to use, so that's when I would always use the English language. So I don't go around speaking English every day. Now that I have been living in Canada for almost like 2.5 years, definitely I have more opportunity to speak English. But even back in India, without even speaking English on a day-to-day basis, I was able to get 9 bands in IELTS speaking. So again, I just shared this with you because definitely if you are someone who has similar education background, career, and you also use English just as a transactional kind of a language, so you can be confident that you are capable of getting 9 band score in IELTS speaking. I will definitely be recording a lot more videos in which I'll talk in a more structured format on a step-by-step analysis on what happened in my IELTS exam. But in this video, I want to share 3 main things which I feel were my strengths, and that definitely helped me get 9 bands in IELTS speaking. So the first strength that I feel that I have is that I'm a conversation oriented person. So I'm not someone who's shy of a conversation. So if I'm in a group, or even if I'm in a one-on-one conversation with someone, so I'm not someone who would shy away from speaking out, especially using English. So for me, having a conversation in English has never been a problem. I think this is one thing that definitely helped me get 9 bands in IELTS speaking, because for me, the IELTS speaking exam was more of a conversation with an individual using English. So I didn't treat it as an opportunity to showcase my English language skills. I just treated it as an opportunity in which I have to have a conversation with someone using English, and maybe that played a very big role in helping me get 9 bands in IELTS speaking. The second strength that I feel definitely helped me is that I can speak on any random topic that you can give me. So this is one strength that I have, and this again definitely helped me get 9 bands in IELTS speaking. So my experience during the IELTS speaking exam was that I was given a topic. I probably thought for not more than 10-12 seconds about that topic, and I started speaking. I didn't even speak for a full 1 minute. I know people say that you have to speak for at least 2 minutes or so to get a good score in IELTS speaking, but I probably spoke for not more than 40-50 seconds. The examiner interrupted me and then started asking me questions, and then other parts of the speaking exam. But yeah, for me, speaking was probably for 40-50 seconds. But I definitely have a big strength of being able to speak on any random topic. So in the future videos I'll be recording, I will definitely be talking a lot about this strength that I have, so that I can help you people, help you guys understand how to actually speak for longer durations on any random topic. The third strength that I believe helped me get 9 bands in IELTS speaking is that I use very simple but efficient vocabulary. So I don't use fancy vocabulary when I'm speaking. So I always prefer using simple words, but I also make sure that I'm using efficient vocabulary. So I will be recording videos on explaining to explain what I mean by simple but efficient vocabulary. So yeah, these three strengths I believe definitely help me get a 9 band score in IELTS speaking. So in all the coming videos, I'll talk more about these things in depth. So yeah, that's all I have for this video. If you like this video and if you want to see more videos, definitely make sure you subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon so that you can get the notifications. If you have any questions around IELTS speaking, please put them in the comments. I'll make sure that I answer all those questions. I'm kind of very good in providing proper explanations, maybe because that's part of my job, like my professional career that I have. So I'll try to answer your questions. If required, I'll also just record a video for you so that you can get a proper analysis, step by step kind of a response from my side. So yeah, so do share, do subscribe to our channel. And again, the videos I'm recording, they're not scripted. I don't prepare for them because I want you to actually see that, okay, this is the person who got 9 bands in IELTS speaking, and if you can just speak like me, then you can be sure of getting a high score in IELTS speaking. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next videos, in which we will be talking a lot more about how to get a higher score in IELTS speaking. Thank you.